is question 48 of civil engineering paper of GATE 2020 forenoon session. A 10-meter thick clay layer is resting over a 3-meter thick sand layer and is submerged. A fill of 2-meter thick sand with unit weight of 20 kN per meter cube is placed above the clay layer to accelerate the rate of consolidation of the clay layer. Coefficient of consolidation of clay is 9 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter square per year, and coefficient of volume compressibility of clay is 2.2 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter square per kilonewton. Assume Taylor's relation between time factor and average degree of consolidation. This settlement of the clay layer 10 years after the construction of the fill is. So in this question, a clay layer of 10-meter thickness is given, which is resting on a sand layer of thickness 3 meter. And this clay layer is submerged, that is water table is present on the top of this clay layer. So to accelerate the rate of consolidation, a fill of 2-meter thick sand is placed over this clay layer. Now we need to calculate the settlement of the clay layer 10 years after the construction of the fill. So this question is from the topic of consolidation of soil. So let's understand the relation between the time factor and average degree of consolidation. So the relation between time factor and average degree of consolidation is, there are two cases. The first case is for degree of consolidation lies between 0 to 60%. That is, if degree of consolidation is lesser than 60%, then we use this relation, that is TV is equal to pi by 4 U in percentage by 100 square. And for U greater than 60%, we use this relation, that is TV is equal to 1.781 minus 0.933 log 100 minus U, where this TV is the time factor and the formula to calculate TV is equal to CV T by H square, where CV is the coefficient of consolidation and this is T is the time at which we are calculating the time factor, and H is the drainage path. Now this U, that is degree of consolidation, can be calculated by this formula, that is del small h divided by del capital H into 100, where del small h is the settlement occurred at any time t and del capital H is the final total settlement at the end of completion of primary consolidation, that is at t is equal to infinity. So first of all, we need to find this del H, that is the total settlement. So there are various formula to determine this total settlement. First, based on the data given in this question, we may use this formula, that is del H is equal to H naught mv del sigma dash, where H naught is the this thickness of this clay layer, mv is the coefficient of volume compressibility of clay, and delta sigma dash is the change in the effective stress. So in this question, this delta this H naught is given as 10 meter, and this mv, that is volume of coefficient of volume compressibility, is given as 2.2 into 10 to the power minus 4, 2.2 into 10 to the power minus 4, and this change in effective stress can be calculated by the due to this the change in effective stress in this clay layer is due to this sand layer, the thickness of this sand layer is 2 meter and unit weight is given as 20 kilonewton per meter cube. So we can find this change in effective stress by this 2 meter thickness into unit weight, that is 20. So when we solve this, we will get this 88 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. So we can write it as 88 millimeter. So now we have the final total settlement of this clay layer is 88 millimeter. Now we can find this time factor TV. So TV is equal to CV T by H square, where CV is the coefficient of consolidation, which is given as 9 into 10 to the power minus 2. 9 into 10 to the power minus 2, and unit is meter square per year. So always cautious with the unit. When this coefficient of consolidation, the unit of this CV is in per year. Okay, so always match this unit with the time. So always take the time in this unit only. That is, if it is given in the year, so you take the time in year also. So here time is given 10 years. So here we can write this time is given as 10 years. Now this H is the drainage path. Now after the placement of sand, the expulsion of pore water will be done from both the sides, that is from the bottom as well as from the top. That is, this clay layer is confined between two permeable strata. So we can write this drainage path will be this total thickness divided by 2, that is 10 by 2. 10 by 2, that is 5 meter. So 5 square. Now after this calculation, you will get this TV as 0.036. So this is TV, time factor. Now we need to find this U. Now we have TV and we need to find this U. So here there are two cases for U 0 to 60%, and the second case is for U is greater than 60%. Since we don't know what is the value of U, so we can assume. So take the assumption, assume U is smaller than 60%. So the formula we can use this one, TV is equal to pi by 4 U in percentage divided by 100 square. Now this TV, we can write this TV is equal to pi by 4, and can we write this U as this del small h divided by del capital H, del small h divided by del capital H square, where del small h is the settlement occurred at any time t, and this capital H, del capital H is the final total settlement. So now, so the value of TV we just have calculated 0.036. 0.036 is equal to pi by 4 into del H. So now we need to calculate del H divided by del capital H, that is the total settlement. So just we have calculated 88 mm. So del capital H is 88 into a square. Now after calculation of this equation, that is we will get del H as 18.84 mm. Now this is our answer, but we need to cross check our assumption whether this assumption is right or not. So for the this assumption U is smaller than 60%, so we need to find U, that is degree of consolidation. So the degree of consolidation is this formula, del H divided by del capital H into 100. So the del H comes here as 18.84, and del capital H we have calculated 88 mm, final settlement 88 mm into 100. Now after the calculation of this, we will get this U, that is degree of consolidation, as 21.4%, which is smaller than 60%. So our assumption is right. Okay, no issue with this. So we can go with this answer, that is the del H is 18.84 mm, and del H is the settlement occurred at time 10 years. We took this time as 10 years. So the settlement of the clay layer 10 years after the construction of the fill is 18.84 mm. So this is the answer. For detailed knowledge about this consolidation of soil, you may watch lecture 41, compressibility of soil, soil mechanics geotechnical engineering 1 by Professor Dilip Kumar Vaid, IIT Kharagpur. Thank you.